Want to know how to convert minutes to hours in Java? So in this code here, we are converting minutes into hours and minutes. So first we take the total minutes and divide it by 60. So we have taken minutes, that is 150, and we divide it by 60. So that is integer hours equals to minutes divided by 60. So because there are 60 minutes in 1 hour, so this gives us a number of hours. So after that, we use the modulo operator with 60 to find the leftover minutes. For example, if you enter 150 minutes dividing by 60, it gives 2 hours and the remainder is 30. So the output becomes 2 hours and 30 minutes. This type of conversion is very useful for handling time in Java programs. So this is how you can easily convert it. So I'm just going to show you by running this program on how it works. And there you go. Super simple and easy. So 150 minutes is 2 hours and 30 minutes. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.